Samsung Galaxy A27 versus Infinix Note 60. With just 7.5mm, the Infinix Note 60 feels slightly slimmer than the Samsung A27 at 7.8mm. At 199 grams, the Infinix Note 60 is marginally lighter than the 200 grams Samsung A27. Samsung A27 wins with Super AMOLED, delivering richer contrast than the standard AMOLED panel. The Infinix Note 60 supports HDR10, providing a more immersive viewing experience. A 144Hz refresh rate gives the Infinix Note 60 smoother visual than 120Hz on Samsung. With 4,500 nits, the Infinix Note 60 offers dramatically stronger outdoor visibility than 1,000 nits. The Infinix Note 60 delivers sharper details with 429 ppi versus 385 ppi. A higher 1208 by 2600 44-pixel resolution gives the Infinix Note 60 a clearer display advantage. The 6.78-inch panel on Infinix is slightly larger than Samsung's 6.7-inch display. Samsung A27 takes the lead with Gorilla Glass Victus Plus, stronger than Gorilla Glass 7i. The Infinix Note 60 gains an edge with a faster 2.6 GHz Cortex A78 processor. Powered by the Dimensity 7400 Ultimate, the Infinix Note 60 offers a more modern and powerful architecture. For graphics performance, the Infinix Note 60 wins with its efficient Mali G615MC2 GPU. The Infinix Note 60 provides noticeably higher overall performance for demanding tasks and gaming. Both phones run Android 60, making this category a tie. The Infinix Note 60 will easily last longer, packed with a massive and reliable 6500 battery. The Infinix Note 60 powers up much faster than 25 watts. The Samsung A27 offers more flexibility for your storage needs with a yes for expandable memory support. Both smartphones are equal here, utilizing identical 2.2 UFS technology for reliable data speeds. Multitasking is a perfect tie, as both competing devices are equipped with 8GB of RAM. Storage options are equal on both models, offering a generous 256GB of internal memory space. The Infinix Note 60 takes the lead with an 50MP f.6 wide 8MP f.22 ultra-wide setup for better photos. Both devices are perfectly equal for videography, supporting crisp 4K at 30fps main camera recording. For clearer and more detailed front shots, the Infinix Note 60 wins with its 13MP f.22 camera. Vloggers will prefer the Infinix Note 60, which supports high-quality 4K at 3fps front video recording. Both phones offer the exact same level of daily dust and splash protection with an IP64 certification. It is a time for audio connectivity, as both devices say no 3.5mm for the traditional headphone jack. Data transfer and connectivity are perfectly identical, with both phones utilizing a Type-C 2.0 port. The Infinix Note 60 provides a much more immersive audio experience thanks to its superior stereo speakers. Wireless connectivity is stronger on the Infinix Note 60, featuring a newer and more stable 5.4 version. All smartphones come equipped with yes for NFC capabilities, making your digital payment convenient. The Infinix Note 60 feels more premium and futuristic with its advanced in-display sensor technology. Both models are perfectly equal here, offering dual connectivity option with a 2SIM eSIM setup. Internet and wireless speeds are perfect high, with both models supporting fast 5G and Wi-Fi 5 networks. If you are looking to save some money, the Samsung A27 stands out as the more budget-friendly option here. Buy the Samsung A27 to save your budget, or choose the Infinix Note 60 for absolute maximum overall performance.